What's up, guys? I got my 3080. You can see the Trinity Zotac. I lined up that microcenter for 10 hours in the cold. It was so painful, but I did it because it's a hard card to get. We got really lucky. Anyways, this is my unboxing. Opening up this big box. It's actually so big. Alright. We got this box. It's kind of fancy, actually. Alright, so we opened this bad boy up. What a fancy packaging. We got a get amplified packet. Probably a lot of like information regarding the card. The 3080, the monster. We got the card itself. Let's open it up. Of course, in packaging to keep it safe. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Zotac Gaming. Beautiful. You see the side right here. It's upside down right here. It's gonna light up. It's gonna look nice. See the back here too. All right. Put that aside. We got 2 wires to connect to the computer. And that's it. Let's open this up too. See what's in here. They're probably giving us some stickers or something. Oh, okay. We got the Zotac Gaming sticker. And we got like a manual installation guide. Alright, so we opened this bad boy up. Pretty simple. Not much to see here. This is huge, but it's time to install this. Let's go to the computer. Alright guys, we're back in my room. Before we install the 3080, we have to take out my old graphics card, which is a 1070 EVGA. So, I've been using this graphics card for around 3 years now. It's kind of outdated. I got it for around maybe $300. Back in 2017, 18-ish, around there. It's been serving me well, but it's time to upgrade. All the hype around the 3080s. Alright, finally got this out, this bad boy. Been with me for a long time, thank you. Alright, now it's time to put our bad boy right here. Our Zotac 3080. Bring it in. Alright, we got my 3080 in my rig. Let's see if it works. Turn the computer on, boot it up, run some tests, run some games, see the improvement on my new graphics card. See you guys there. Oh, look at the lighting, guys. It's beautiful. It's like a blue waterfall. Alright guys, we're in Call of Duty. Max settings, everything. Getting around 90 FPS right now. And before my computer only could handle 60 FPS on medium settings, so this should be a big improvement. Especially because the ray tracing, it looks much more realistic. There's a lot of reflections on the water. All the elements, the water looks realistic. Look at that, there's so much rendered. Yeah, I'm around 90 FPS, around maybe 80 sometimes. This is a huge map, it really depends on the map, but really it feels smooth. There's no complaint, I can't complain about this. It's a really good card. I do not feel any FPS spikes or anything. It's a big upgrade from my old card. Playing at the highest settings. Never thought it would be possible on Call of Duty Cold War. But it is buttery smooth. But yeah, this was the Call of Duty. Look at this water, guys. Look at this. It's so realistic. This is the power of the 30 series. It's insane, actually. You go into water. All that detail? There's no way this is possible. Yeah, so this was the 3080, the Call of Duty Cold War. Yeah, it is. Alright guys, we're in Valorant. Testing out my main game. I used to play on medium settings here just to get the max frames possible. And yeah, I play on high settings now. We're getting around 200 frames depending on what's going on. Not bad for high settings.
Party's over. Lock in sight.
If I shake around, it's really smooth.
Turret out.
And I used to play on medium. We can also try medium as well. We can compare. Not much of a difference. Valorant does cap it. Valorant, when you play in an official match, it does cap at 300. But in a custom game, it should be much higher.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah, my ult's ready.
Yeah, it's really smooth. I really like the new graphics card. It just makes my, if you want to play competitively, like either a CSGO, League of Legends, Valorant, like it definitely has like so much power. You don't even need it. It's really smooth. So yeah, this was the Valorant gameplay. Definitely a big upgrade. Either in especially in Call of Duty, like games with ray tracing, there's a big upgrade. Valorant does not have ray tracing, but it's still a really good graphics card to play on any computer.
Switching sides.
Alright guys, we tested the 3080 on 3 games. Much improved. Feels so buttery smooth. I think it was worth it waiting in line for a long time. 10 hours, like, to be exact, in the cold. But yeah, this is the performance. If you guys have any questions on installing it, on anything it runs, you know, performance, let me know in the comments. My first techie video besides the iPhone video, so let me know if you like techie videos. I'm kinda new to it, but it's okay. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe. See you guys later.